Fresh, stylish, versatile, earring sets give you endless ways to express yourself. From classic studs to statement drops, every pair is crafted for beauty and charm. Discover the charm of earring sets with one simple click. Our collection includes timeless classics, trendy designs, and coordinated pairs that fit every mood. Explore earrings for every occasion, minimal studs for daily wear, sparkling drops for parties, and elegant hooks for timeless style. Each set is designed to match your look with ease. Every detail shines with style, smooth finishes, radiant stones, and perfectly paired designs. Earring sets are more than accessories, they're your everyday essentials. Our best-loved earring sets are here, elegant, trendy, and always in style. Loved by jewelry fans everywhere, these sets complete every look effortlessly. Start your earring style journey today. Choose sets that highlight your personality and fashion sense. Let Panda Hall earring sets be your perfect finishing touch. Thanks for watching. Discover more earring sets at Panda Hall and make every outfit shine in style.